Top Gun. My name is Sean Kenneth.
My name is Professor Shulovani.
And my name is Fortunate Ngube.
And I am Lutando Kappa. Post a deep dive into Tshwane Event Center. It has revealed to us that the unreliability of electricity is the top barrier for any success of the event center. SMME's participation and community engagement is lacking. This insight has led us to pivot towards a solar-powered model, a scalable, sustainable solution co-developed with solar providers and requires endorsement by the City of Tshwane. This change ensures Tshwane Event can truly serve its diverse user base, become a meaningful community hub. Our final customer will include the following key stakeholders: community members, SMMEs, event coordinators, and local street vendors. Over to you, Professor.
We used the value proposition to identify the jobs, pains, and gains. Our proposed value map includes the following: installing rooftop solar panels to stabilize electricity, creating new employment opportunities, lowering event operating costs, and feeding surplus power into the city's grid to benefit the wider Tshwane community.
So our updated learning card reflects the need for a safe, energy secure venue to drive local economic activity. The updated testing card outlines how we validated the model with stakeholders and solar companies with metrics for feasibility, affordability, and key city partnership interests.
Our solution creates a strategic fit by addressing multiple pain points, affordable power supply, and a modern venue appeal while differentiating us from competitors. This creates shared value by improving 1, job creation for the community, 2, economic inclusion for SMEs, 3, event successes for organizers, and lastly, power stability for the city. This project not only uplifts the city of Tshwane events grounds, but also lays the key foundation to replicate this model in other cities which have similar challenges supporting long-term generation. Thank you. Okay.